What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So me have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, one bag of sitting with King Donny and Ivany. King Donny must fling him at half of Ivany. Ivany sit down in the dog face, see how the dog sight you people. We don't know how I missed the life there. You see me, we also have Zozo, the lion man, I think, and Ivany. You know say this is no good neither. So me I say we also have TikTok liar. I expose some things. You know Rosalie, she always depend Akeem. So she have some things where she has say she show one picture. I say Akeem and Snow go Colombia. You see me? After Akeem never fly out from there. Eh? We don't hear nothing about Akeem flying out. Boy, my people, we not lie still, you know. Out of the two, you know, figure it out on Akeem, you know. Akeem get it, you know. Me not lie, you know. He get it, man. He get it, man. Big one thing. So, we're going to get in that, my people. We also have other things. I don't know, me stay upon remembering everything. I know we have a bunch of things. We also have something with cute boss. You see me I say? I think she adjusts the whole situation with K and you know what I mean, Shauna and K ex-husband or husband. I don't know if them divorce or whatever. You see me I say? So we have a bunch more other things so we could get in it with people.
If a man tell me say you're sucking wood, and me I say it, me I deliver a message. I know me I say it. And the message me I deliver. You say and me come plan that they lie upon you. Me tell you every day say me have one, you know, and you think I joke me a blood clot make, you know. Me tell you say me have one left in the fear, you know, you think I joke me a make. And as me say, you pick and you pick and you pick and you pick. Me say New Year me nah go do this. But one thing with me. You see when people are tell lie upon me, me a defend that until it grung to blood clot. Me a defend that until it grung to blood clot. Yeah. To it grung me a defend it. You know what I'm one of them there, yeah? You tell the people them say, me come on the internet and me a the liar this somebody. Me give you the challenge to tell the people them two lie when me tell upon you. One out of the two you go say, me say you suck wood. I know this in a way the phone there. This. In a this. Push out the line now, me I go say, you go say me say. Because if you say you have the video when me did their quote, that means say it depend it when you tell the judge say Your Honor, I share post up my 13-year-old gay son. That means say that depend the video too. So play make people in here. Play make people in here. When you say to the judge say Your Honor, she post up my 13-year-old gay son. Because you say you have the video yesterday, you know, in a court, you know. You are tell the people them in the box, you know. So play it, make the people them hear say, I no lie me a tell. When you tell the judge say, me a post up your 13-year-old gay son. Because out of the mother mouth it come from, not mine. And when the judge asks me up to no, me no answer, me just look at him, look at my face and he say, yes you did. Yes you did. And me I say, me should even say nothing like me I say, me should have said nothing, you know, me should, cause I know me post it. I TikTok me find it pan. I TikTok me find it pan. And you know say I TikTok me find it pan and father send it come give me. But I TikTok it did the pan. But because the judge look at my face and she say, yeah, me post if it's true. People, me no need to tell no lie. When we go in at the court, and me first they make talk. And me tell the judge what she do with me picnic. And the judge get mad and say, why are you posting like this is that? I saw the judge, remember me not talk like that. What and get mad, he can't talk. He had nervous in sit down pan. Me don't know where it's like one set here where sit down pan. Me don't know where it's sit down pan. And she depan, you're and the judge attack and rough him up. But she post my 13-year-old gay son and the judge said, where's and she look for a video, she look for a video for the judge. I bring a video, she come and play. Cause she can't find the video where she look for. And the man turned on to me and said, did you post our 13-year-old gay son? And just by looking at my face, him say, yes, you did. Yes, you did. Because me never say no to it. Me never say no to it. Evelyn Opal, me never say no to it. And the man just say, case dismiss. The man in the angler like dog. Now she turn around on me and say she have the video. Play the blood clot video, make the people them hear. Now TikTok want to hear it. The people they want to hear who I tell a lie. The people they want to hear who I tell a lie because of me, he was the first one who do the talking. And the judge starts rough you up. You get nervous, you can't find the video where you look for. You play one blinga video. I bet if the people then tell us if they come back and talk what happened, it's a different story you come with. Because you did come with your mouth full of lie from day one. You did come with your mouth full of lie from day one. And you know what I want? You see the person who put her up on the Zoom because she don't know if to do the Zoom. You see the person who put her up on the Zoom? You see if she and the person that broke up, the person that go come tell you say everything we done say true she that her. Because the person was there. Who do the Zoom for her? Dead in the background. So if she and that person should have broke up tomorrow morning, the person can come in on my blood clot box and say everything what she say a true she that talk. Everything what me that say a true me that blood clot talk. Now the girl turn it round and I tell the people them yesterday say the judge angle me like dog, you know, after she the judge angle like dog, you know. She said judge angle me like dog and she have it on video. So what 1 year rather you know play that? If you come me na my blood clot and after me come and tell one different story, you know come for say alright, here is story where she a tell, see right story. Cause if me remember I know me no go foreign court. Me go Jamaica court and me know you can't carry no phone in Jamaica court. So in my head the phone can't go in there. So if me know say my phone could have go in there, me I carry my phone in there and put it on tape. I have it in my bag. But me never know. Me frightened when the girl come out and just start tell be a blood clot lie. If the person were dead there with her can't contact the truth, the man, the fat man, him do it. If him and her should have kick off tomorrow morning, him can tell us say, I she the judge in the angle bad. Not me. And when she come up with the 13-year-old gay son, the man changed to me because all along she the man I talk to. Me the one she play the tape.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section because when it comes to cheese and Dan, it's a never ending story. This is why I can't done my people. Big one thing, you know, long it a go on. You see me I say, and the two of them I used to linky and them something, you know. Jaja. So make me know what you think my people. Make we watch some more and then we're gonna move on to the next.
To make the people them hear it. Then she come with another news again. Say man carry me girlfriend yard. A general like me. A dupes like me. A heartbeat like me. I go girlfriend yard. When the two are with their foreign. Good night sexy. The two are with their foreign can go book blood clot hotel if somebody case. Up to today, me I look at one video when me there in people there in house lie down for my blood clot back. As me tell them the video they soft pussy bumper rascal far. When this a girl I say, me they afraid. They are where? Me have got scroll got 2001 to blood clot. Where a man close me up. Go suck your mama dirty thinking blood clot. Dirty nasty girl. That be a plan on a plan up store upon people. Plan on a plan up store upon people. Me not have to plan no store upon you. And the picture where you say, oh, we cut off head and whatever. I no cut off no head off and no blood clot picture. Same way your baby father send it come give me with blood clot right here so. And you turn back way so. I saw you turn back way. So you turn blood clot back way. Same way so. And the picture coming like this. But me I see you all of your body. Like this. Me know your body, you tattoo everything. And just right on your mouth ya so. Me I see. So, I know me cut off it. Are your baby father? I saw him send it come give me, I know me. That a one another lie where you tell pan blood clot me again. All of the things them when send to the phone, him delete them. All of the things them. Number one, me is a person where you can send me something right now and delete it and I don't even know. Because me no check phone. Me no check blood clot phone. See my phone here. Look here. Me show you something. Watch out. Look on message for my phone. Look on blood clot message for my phone. 500 odd, 200 odd, 800 and blood clot at this. See there? Me no check blood clot phone. So you can send me message all for months to blood clot and me no look. Me see one friend send me from December, but see 2 years. Me just a see message to blood clot. Me just a go there so in iPhone to see message. Me can't tell you one send me. But me know say me and him talk in person and him tell me one him a go send me. It never entice me. Let me tell you something. You see woman body parts no entice me for look pan. Them that sit there no entice me for look pan, you know. Especially when the people, you know. That's why when the man they send out your blood clot pussy. And the man they set up send it come give me and say, see if me say no I no she. Cause me feel shame for you. Cause me no like them that sitting there. But when me and I say, oh, so you this year no she, me say, cause I need my friend. So me no want to feel away from my friend to say, you have my friend pussy, I should send it come give me. You understand? Me is that type of person. Me get people body parts on TikTok. And people look for me come out with a long time. I know me now blood clot come out because that is not my war. That is not my fight. If you fuck with me now, then you leave me no choice. But if you never do me nothing, you told me I gotta just come out and say, oh, I may have this time. I may have this when time and dick do me. They don't do me nothing. Me not stay like uno. Me not stay like uno. And if you never did a call up my name yesterday, why you so offended that now know me don't call your name? Me say pretty than me and you have to talk off the ear. That me say I must something you do. Why you think say me here? That's why you jump down blood clot and run up and come up in a box a long time. Because the story is not your story. A pretty than an in-wife story. And you take it over and turn it in a me and your story. So why you don't want the people them for you? Why you think me know? Where you know? That's why you run up in the blood clot box. Because the only thing me say to pretty than is not the girl post the video. Them always saying that you see in a life, 7 brothers, 7 different mind. And a lot of people are say the girl wrong for post the video. Yeah, but you have to look upon in many different blood clot ways. When you're in a relationship and you get hurt, you're free to do any mama bumbo pussy blood clots. You can't post 10 pint a ball. One I go say she wrong for pussy? And who get hurt? And who did in the relationship? And this I want no blood clot afraid for do and for tell people in front of them blood clot face. You have to do her something. Make she do what she blood clot do. Because woman not just hacks off of somebody where them did blood clot love. You have to do them something. Tell me where you do her. Why she want drag you in the blood clot mud. Me Me never come out and call nobody name and say nobody do this or nobody do that. Me say me and you have to talk off the blood clot here. Alright. Even Zandrama say a lie me I tell then. Alright, so how me tell Zandrama, say Zandrama, check your inbox because she takes you from when. Tell Zandrama if it's sure how long she takes her. So if me I did a lie, how she'd find the text? Because the person did a reach.
When we first met.
Your look nice though.
Thank you.
So how's that? This is Shay. Oh, the blood clot don't know. Oh, they not talk now. Go ahead. Stop nigga one. I hope me not see that girl up on the light. What on there?
Oh. Oh, you see her in views.
Me not see her in views. Shay, me I want that. Me I want that something.
You know, want the blood clot, nothing. More than like you just call woman. And mute the live. Jayden, mute the live.
Yeah.
When?
He mute, man.
The live.
Oh, yeah, hear me?
Chop one. Oh. What, my brother? From what your senses to send me pure life. Let me add him. Wagwan!
Why pray?
There, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good.
Well, not play the match.
No, Jayden, they talk to him, girl, and me just there.
Senseless. More something. What a bridge there for your forehead? What a bridge that's sinking? So what a...
Where you talk about?
When I did ban,
This.
Then they lick you in your face. What a bridge something there?
What is that?
Yeah. What a...
I don't know, brother. I just saw my band, bro. See there. I can't do about it. I can't do it.
Oh, yeah, but what filter? Oh, you shine, so.
AI.
You shine, you fuck.
AI. Me there look at too much. Me there say more current, but Jayden already give strength, you know. He say nah, give no strength. You know, I say no ball to me because of a ball. That thing goes.
Oh.
Where's that?
No, me say too much. Me there want play. But me know we say God the ball to me. God close off a ball too.
No, we can't play, man. We can't play.
My jump.
Me know, man.
No, not jump.
We know him good enough.
Boy, my people, you see that girl when named Siri? Feel like say she has some trauma to deal with, my people. Big woman thing. Yeah, man, the girl they have some trauma to deal with, and it look like say everybody who she go around, them take advantage of her. Here's it, big woman thing. You know what I mean? More hope she good still. You know what I mean? I work on where she a go through, and here's it, put it behind her and try to elevate in every way possible. Here's it. So people, make watch some more.
Say.
Me know him good too.
I'm gonna stop telling about read room, man. I'm telling bro.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Senseless.
Hello.
Fine. Again.
I forgot work on my voice, you know. What do you mean senseless? I forgot work on my voice.
She just has say I.
Oh.
Yo, easy,
Yeah,
man.
she just
Look
got
at that, brother. Easy, bro. Look at that, bro. Nobody pray me, dog.
Right, she just saying I and that's it. Right.
Be in town police station now, boy, pray me, dog. Nobody do that.
Right.
Yeah.
So what, Rosie?
Nothing, what's up?
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
But put on already and come back.
Nah, man, I go anytime. I couldn't go and do another.
Alright, what there?
Yeah.
I'm sports day. Anybody have any more red can come up? Hello?
Yeah?
Anybody have any more red one to come up?
Oh,
Let me see if I see anybody in any red.
Red House?
Yes, it's only red over here. Seven on red, nobody come. It's alright.
Right.
Alright, nobody is there. Right.
Rosie, you don't want to try filter?
No. Leave the woman alone, Jayden, and move.
I'm good.
Leave the woman alone. I'll go. Where is TJ not alive?
God.
TJ and him live. So Jayden, what are you shy?
So when you come?
Here you again.
What?
Alright.
Him don't know if he said to you, that's why. Him a look at conversation.
What do you want me to come? That might have to change. Shame. We'll talk after this.
Alright.
But
Jayden.
What that mean? What that mean?
Jayden, love struck. Say something now. You just.
Me I go move, Francis, because I like that girl too much, you know. Me I go move.
What?
Me I can't be myself. Nothing can be enough. Yo, one back out, I want to me, dog. Yo, get yourself, youth. I want to take charge. You know, if you are falling in love and them things, dog. Yo, get yourself, youth. I want to you, dog. You are tough youth in the dog, you're rich in the dog. You see, I have crown and blood clot. Yo, brother, get yourself, dog, and stop working. You eat that, dog. I want to you, bro, when I see girl and them things, dog, you know, to shake you up. You see, because you are tough youth. I want to you, dog. Alright.
Can't stop singing that.
hi, baby. Let's try this again.
Right.
Tap it up. Alright, shit. We don't know how to be dog. I see you. No. Oh, God. Yo, something to me, dog. Something to me. Someone up like me. Hey!
Give me a good fuck. You get a come out there and rub man and done man. Don't me, Shauna, me and you on two different levels of life. We are not the same, dog.
But can you say the man have to use pay for him wood to stand up? What? You lying, man? That's a lie.
Alright, some of people, we have a hear where the lion man have to say, I know, because he must say, yo, him no one care if you call him name or whatever. You see it, so make we hear a film review upon K and the whole chin and, you know what I mean, our husband situation or something. But me can't believe, say the man make one girl make him so a move shy and him can't talk, him lack of words. Remember them the time they know my people when me I go to school and you know what I mean, I look at youth and ray and girl make me, you know what I mean, shy certain way. But we go through them something there in our school days, cause ever since we go to school we are girls. You see we are look girl here and there, we have girl all over. You see me, I say not really all over still, but we have one and few girl. Cause we never really have the brand them like some of the boy them, but we always study lyrics. You see me, I say we always study lyrics, find lyrics for approach girl, and we approach her. We approach as many girls will look good as possible. So you know, so we must get one of them. You know what I mean? And we grow. So when it come to girl and approaching and all them something there, shyness gone one long time from school days, shyness gone. So this is someone they are going with. And he have so much more. Dog, you can't make this a girl you got you so weak, brethren. No, dog. People let me know the thing. We come out some more.
No, she just wanted to buy things from you to support your business. She didn't come to buy your man or whatever. She just come to support a small business.
10 bites. Cause everybody with real energy left around 10 bites, including me. Shauna, if you didn't have any type of good energy, you own the blood clot enough with 10, me I tell you. Oh, you're so fool. Shauna, all you two are one for the internet and ball say one back your wife.
There's not wrong for that. Shauna came to support the business and take the man. Shauna is not wrong.
Shauna, me give up on you. Me done. If you don't say me earth, then me earth. If this a earth, I love it. You know how much of your energy, but you take a married man? What cross is the wife? Shauna, you know how much of your energy, but you're with a married man? Hello? I don't think nothing can come good after that. 10 5, I have an idea for you. You want your divorce or me want my divorce? Go pawn out the chain, go sell it, and sell the money come and go put in the divorce and you sign the paper. Go sell the chain. Go sell it. Cause me say, me give as a gift, but you put it on Shauna. Me no want back the chain, you know. Me could never want back nothing at all when me give, you know. But fear is fear. Sell the chain and make up use the money and put in the divorce. Me think that I fear is thing. A $5,000 Peter foreign. How much money that at Jamaica? Me don't know it deep value because you have it for 2 years. So maybe I can get 125. Do something. Do something for a change. Me don't want back nothing when me ever give. Because when me give them from yourself. But you me not have it because me have to send Paris girl something there. Got college? Me ask you say, out of something what me give you. Can you just give it up? Rose couldn't want to play one match with me now. Rose don't add me. Rose have her own clout. You know, never beg me for change. Me give him as a gift, him birthday gift. So it's his. I don't want it back. I don't want back nothing that I ever give you or done for you. I didn't even talk about what I do for you. Because there's so much that I did that I don't need to talk about. I come from a good place. Because you want to act like someone never do nothing. You want to act like I was just a girl who was a miserable girl. You want to come out here and compare that picture that I only did nice and keep it a problem.
Thank you. Put me in a rank in the chat. Put me in a rank in the do.
I made you look good. That was my mission. I wanted you to be a star. I wanted you to play the part.
So basically you fix up Tenn for Shauna come take him. Okay, get it now.
You see, if you say me obsessed with Tenn, I guess Tenn fully obsessed back with me. You know why? Because him on the internet I do the most. Show me who obsessed with who. Me over here talk every day.
To where me see it I go K, I don't think it's that, darling. I think right there, K, you're my friend, but right there, that's a Rosalie move. That's a Dululu move. That.
Hey, my people, me not lie still, you know, this a little situation here with K and her man or something, you know, say K have up them something they like, yo, the dog put on a ball in this still, you know, people, is a wicked, but hey, them ball in there, when you look up, pick me and get so ass lick, you know, I have ball, everything a drop, okay, I drop out of your face, you know what I mean? No, it's not. Yeah, what? You see me, I say, yo, the dog ball for you one still, you know, but every girl is have to get that girl, they will hurt them. And that go on with the dog, you see me, and me now put myself, say, boy, me now ball over girl, but my, yeah, what people, me don't know, but me is a man, me hard for wall. Big woman thing, no matter how me hurt, me hard for ball. Me don't know, me can't do it. It no matter what the situation. And me just watch one little show, you know, my people. And something in that show just touch me and I want to jump out of me, you know. You see me, I say, but here we go, my people. K have that something there as ammunition. So that's why she been a chat some things long time, waiting for the dog or Shauna Chin response so she can release it and try flap the man. But you can't flap a man, sure. Okay, you know what I mean? That was just a moment, and you know what I mean? For in a relationship, anybody will go through that. One amount of ball in you go to put on. You see me, I say, people, make what some more.
Delusional.
Move on, you know. Tenn have all the rights to move on with his life, you know. But you know, remember that this is the same Tenn point who don't do social media, and he's not a TikTok, and him hate TikTok people them, and all of these things.
Man, I get another them thing in the car.
I can admit that I fuck with his baby.
Man, I get another them thing in the car. We don't know why endgame, you know. We don't know say K and blood clot 10 points ago. Shoot it in a bed and fuck, you know. So me not get involved, you know. I didn't go shit, you mad?
Blood clot game so that we can do that if we want. Now girl and a boy no can size up and tell me nothing. If me decide to want to hold bumper clot 10 times every day I'm supposed to, cause me put two things them and make him put through the things them.
The chopper. You got to say that. You was the chopper.
Triple chat. Beg of the summer. Bit away a boy.
You was the chopper, my side.
Triple team, triple. Take down Brittany picture. Brittany like, we have to go call send for Brit, you know. Why are you so obsessed with Brit? Triple team. Why you have to put the picture now here and
money gun chat.
Alright, listen, hold that shit down. Vonnie, I got a question for you. You just talk like you got the best. You talk like you got the best pussy in the world. You talk like you got the you talk like your shit.
A Yankee pum that. Yeah. Yankee beat that. Yankee knock that. Yankee knock that. You know beat 1 minute to that Yankee. Yankee the beat that. Yankee! Yankee the beat that Yankee. Yankee to get you. Yankee to get you, Yankee. They're gonna beat us to sickness. But they're gonna kill us also.
Let's go.
Patrick, they're gonna beat you. She beat you, come. Remember you come over here, ball over your batter, yo. She gonna kill you.
Go.
Passenger princess, you're gonna beat us to sickness. Oh, low life.
Vonnie,
so no, you make better blood kill you, blood clot.
Cause Vonnie got
Don't Vonnie, lick up at the Vonnie. Cranny Vonnie. Or machine me see I fuck out the hole. Dirty hole Vonnie.
Hey,
you shape
so
she dead long time. I dirty back when I fuck your Vonnie king. She the pussy king.
Cause she got one song about her, she think her pussy the best. Calm your little ass down.
Shut up. That girl! Hey boy, my pussy cleaner than animal. 10 times, triple time. This a pussy under my foot cleaner than in a compassionate animal. In an animal that stud like a good stud. Hey, stop it nice. We don't want your frown over there. Oh, so attack. In an animal suddy like sud soap. Animal ever sud like she wash dishes. If a boy come near my body work and me never want your mouth for my pussy. Cause anything we go against animal can go in a toilet. You fuck Annie, you can fuck down to all the
so what the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, shut up. Shut up. You talking too motherfucking much. Take a sip of your juice and relax. Cause you acting like you the baddest shit walking. Pipe down. Pipe the fuck down. You not the baddest shit walking, please. On my dead cousin, you not the baddest shit walking. You feel me?
I'm not dead mother. I am. What the fuck you talking about, nigga? I'm the baddest. The only body you ever come across is Britney with the back of you. Nobody else. For sure you say Annie a dog shit, you don't even want Annie for your back screen because Annie can't help you in a cloth, half cloth, not even a reality. A Brittany going for you and that's why you can't do it.
Annie a silent game. Annie a silent game.
My body dog. The whole generation of
Every man left there in a drunk crowd. Every man left there in a young blood clot girl like you.
Check the score. Check the score.
Did we eat again? She beat him. Did you see the boy get a cheating once again? You butter him. I'll kill you, dirty body man. Oh, low life, wrong glass. I'll kill you. Nah, Christ.
Deported.
What is that? They're beat us to sickness. God, push up the score. Push up the score. Barney a silent game. Barney a silent game.
Yeah, young blood clot girl, what you want a blood clot man. Support blood clot Barney. Big people choke back blood clot Barney. Dirty pussy blood clot Barney. Move your blood clot and go your smarty drunk up. Your blood clot smarty keeping blood clot girl.
Deporting a blood clot when you see them spam them like deported. America no want to not even blood clot. America no want to. They from Mobile to town to Clarendon. When you do it, go have a spot. It's not get a vex for my present. I'm a present alone.
Your big boy pussy have teeth in it.
Face card never blood clot decline.
Teeth in it, bitch.
You are bothered by my voice. I'm not even speaking to you. The whole four over there start troll each other. We are do their game and this bitch take it up on her head.
Hey, my people, me not lie still, you know. Yo, Annie, I deal with the thing like a man still, you know. Yeah, man, and he run the crutches like, oh man, run the dick, man. Yo, people, and I'm on a level still, me can't say nothing about it still, you know, my people, although me I say something about it, but me not say it for bring her down or nothing, you know, because, yo, if she did that with one of the man, them, like, who she did that deal with before now, if them never F up and she have to left them, she would have dealt with them and run the crutches them type of way. You see me? Me feel like say she have searched for a steady relationship and maybe she find it with the youth here. But the youth here look like him a deal with this for convenient and for clout and them something there. You see, so me no feel like him a go stay. Once him get for him thing up and run in certain way, him a go find a better girl. You see me? And he's just a woman where them youth here use for clout and, you know what I mean, money or something. But Annie move fast still, you know, people. If Annie see a man where she like and something, you know, Annie move fast, you know, and you know, each for run the catches, you know. I love them type of woman there. But we have them as, you know what I mean, a type of woman who we not go and settle with. When you check it out, the girl them will take too long for run the crutches. A worse a girl and them a woman, because them a woman that know what they want. And if they see something what they want, them now make it past them a grab and pan it. And that's why. So let me know what I think. Make watch some more.
Very much pressed. God, here it's controlling.
That's the best place in the world. Oh, we are the best place in the world.
Never that serious at TikTok. That girl look like she don't like me naturally.
Me couldn't put man on Vanny side, brother. And you know Vanny I can't pass score, but I put my man by your side.
No, Ziggy, but I troll. I think but she take it. She feels threatened by me. Yeah?
True. Oh yeah, you need Anya when I had for the screen.
I suck cock. Me see me woman already. I suck cock. Behind one car, she not even in her car. She back her car. The man sit down on the trunk, and she a suck cock in our open parking lot. And me thought this for years, and she come home and I never ever said nothing to her. 2 months later again, me a fuck her again. She just come in from one party. Me a fuck her because she come in and me feel like she drunk. And me smell condom on her neck. And instant me smell the condom on her neck, my cock gets soft. And me never said nothing to her. And me I taught this from Instagram days. Coco, listen again. Me got Jamaica shoot 876 roommate. Me come back up. Me see me woman who me live with for 4.5 years in a close friend. I saw cock again. And you know why I take for me left her? On Christmas Day when me see me go hard for her, and all the thing she fucking buy me is a mop with a fucking broom. And say me love clean.
Hold on. But that's for a she buy you one what?
A mop and a broom, and she said, I see that you love clean. When they say laugh like when you think I joke, bro. Like when they laugh like, bro, I'm dead serious. Bro, I'm dead ass serious on my mom life. See me woman already, I suck.
So we don't want the one day. 18 hours strat.
Up 18 hours.
So in last of feeling John.
All the while.
So me not so you're not loyal then.
Loyal oh.
Cause the other day you tell me say man near my front no Akeem. I watch man you have bestie. Which one of them you talk?
You know loyal I must say what you got friend go fuck your gift and live in the hotel
no, maybe I mean say that you know but
the same thing you say me I say.
So you tell me say you have 2 man like me. 3 rose guys.
No, me have 40 man like you.
Rose guys, 3 more quick. 2 more quick, 1 thanks. Bestie, you're stressing me out.
You're stressing me too, bestie.
So you one body have 2 man and you can't talk about a 2 man named brawling.
You went to the beach today?
Man, we are talking about now.
So where were your man when you were at the beach today?
Triple guys, he was busy working. Triple chat. Triple guys. Watch ya. Try to use it triple. Watch ya. Now go look off my comment section because this not cute. Now go look off my comment section because I can't over here so not type too much and I can't send no gift. A wickedness that. Total wickedness. When they laugh and not even one galaxy no can't send. Alright then make it stay how it is.
The feeling that it's real.
Alright, thanks. Let me turn on the back. So I go on differently.
I know why you about your shenanigans. I give me a play. I'm only my water if you know why you about your man's story.
So you just switch so.
Pass up as a Gemini. If you not gonna play the game, I wanna play the game tomorrow. I'm not in the mood tonight. I look something on the board. I like when you win. I get jealous over the winnings.
They're bad mind.
Over the winnings. Yes, that means if your score that much my score, then you could elaborate. That means my side is not enjoying you. Them now put camera talk. I eat me a work for. I didn't like the things that we're saying have to stop. My side wanna do don't make sure win.
Snipe shot. Guys, everybody snipe. Team snipe. Team snipe. Guys, team snipe. Team snipe, guys.
Yes, can we snipe?
Snipe, guys, no please.
Snipe chat.
Guys, snipe again, no please.
I have a wheel or a pussy, one of my best to them.
Guys, snipe, no please.
Snipe chat. Snipe. Boy.
Thank you.
A good chat, thanks.
One Jordan, everybody thanks. I'm gonna see you tomorrow in a rose.
That's nice, Kiki. I wish you all the best. I'm serious, you know. I wish you all the best.
Yeah. So you can watch your first sleepover upon live. We are go pajama. Well, you have any idea what we can put in our room for decorate it?
Which room?
Where we are go sleep in?
Where the room do we go sleep in?
Oh, you know what? Triple. I mean, my mother-in-law too, you know. Triple, guys. First triple, guys. Guys, first triple quick. Guys, first triple fast.
You mean the ranty too, man?
Thank you. Thank you, Wanja.
Oh,
why are you saying that? My mother-in-law is the sweetest. When I went there, she gave me food and water and she made me feel welcome.
Food and water?
She's the sweetest thing. And juice.
You go in our bedroom?
Yeah.
In our board house?
In the clean and nice.
That's true.
I know we are living in a rose, but how you keep, you know, because there are some people they can't live in a big wall house and everything, you know, and they dirty and smell bad.
But
and some people know live in a one little good house and it clean.
Liar, tell, can you do my national house coming out in the room? Me know them years.
So oh, you know about my man so much, about what my man.
Alright, you what? Me don't want to talk about your man.
21 rose.
Alright, me don't want to be a man. That's important. 21
rose, guys. 21 rose.
You come back with the trip. Me forgot black your Kiki.
Well, people, you see Rosalie don't like a bone in a Kiki because Kiki and JX too close. Them a knock and she know where Kiki a get because she used to get it. You see me I say? So that she not like Kiki for. And at the end of the day she got black Kiki to, you know, my people. Yeah, she got black Kiki. But some things Rosalie has said about what she do to GX and in Bam Bam, my people. Oh gosh, man. Wait, Rosalie, come off your man name and stop trying to bring. What I tell you, yo, Janot, I can't demand that what she say used to knock her up and she ray and ray. You know what I mean? This can't be the person that you're afraid of. No. Can't be the person. Are you dealing with him, sir? Please make me know what you think.
With what?
I'm answer there from now.
You're for why?
When you take up my trash and dig it, no girl will dig in my trash can argue with me, no. Hey, dig in my trash. So, relax. Make me do that. Make me do this in front of 4.6K. You dig in my trash. You don't need to argue.
Triple guys.
And I my trash bin a gang and dig up my mess.
Triple guys.
In an argument with me, Chicky, relax.
Me not argue.
I tell them to play them the role there. Relax. Me not mute her.
Triple guys.
If I dig in my trash, Kiki, I want to come tell me about your mother-in-law. Who give a fuck? Who cares? You start troll again. Me forgot black you.
Troll how? So now you ask me something.
I don't want to talk about your mess. You can't be trusted again. You for black Kiki again, Chad. Make we unfollow her. Too black.
So last night I come and say happy for me bestie.
Yeah, but me can't tame. Because you start to troll again.
Troll how? What me do wrong and from there me come up?
I say congrats. That mean I'm happy for you. When you come, I'ma meet my mother-in-law and meet my this. I don't give two fuck.
So when you show me say you're keep going, never say nothing.
It's my world and you bitches have to pay to live in it. No, I don't look loud to them. I don't care about you and my rubbish. It's when I move a man, when I leave a man and Kiki, that's my bin. You go in my bin and take up my trash and want to come help on me. Kiki don't have to do this in front of the crowd of people. Relax.
Do what?
Do what you're doing. Don't troll me, Kiki. Me's a top girl. And Kiki. If a future reference, I swear to God that him blind me and burn me up if I'm telling a lie. You see no boy, I'm a piss in them face. You and them can hype on me. I'm telling that already. Make we do this again, please. Focus on the game, boo. Remember I work with it. We can't follow you back now. Come in at the mood. I'm gonna go deep in a Kiki. I swear upon I'm a two pit in them life. Nobody will look at my body. You and them can't help on me. Relax. My world. You know I'll have to pray for living night. And him know no lie me I tell. I'm a body jakes look out. Relax, Kiki, my world. You have to pray for living night. Relax. When I tell lie, I come and look out when I chest. I tell her the detail. Relax, Kiki. I'm never worried to do this, you know. I swear upon my kids them life. A boy have to look out and my bottom pistol lime face. Yeah, I'm a top girl. My world, people have to pay for living night. You never know that? What you both say you church up my world, I have to pay for living night. Come,
okay.
Bestie.
Natasha, Ty, everybody
she's my best friend. Come, bestie. No, when I run her, she's a human. I don't know when I run her, she's a human being. I'm a friend. Relax. I can handle the candle. I'm happy for you. I give you my grace and mercy. I've moved on. I did 12 years of it and I've moved on. So if you want to go and take your term, that's your term. I don't give two fuck fetible. So when they hear me come when I look my kinds and don't come, I don't care, Kiki. If you want to go to Seaview, live at Seaview, honor Seaview Road from Seaview, that has to do.
Guys, first triple, please.
Because Kiki, I know I piss on your man. But you are
first triple, guys.
You and him can never hype. Triple chat. Happy
first triple, guys, please.
Triple, last time I chat about you, know. I'm here for a long time.
Thank you, Ricky.
For the new year.
Guys, only use the first triple.
This too much now. Oh, it's too much now. Happy New Year, baby, been too much now? No, because Kiki I run down mate roll from me. I say, Kiki, you cannot run down mate roll from me.
Rosalie, me can't ask bestie, me can't ask a question.
Hold on the best. Hold on.
If your man did let there, and you left him man, and the man take up on different girl, I think you as a person should have even have nothing to say about it. Like you regard.
Hold on, baby. If me and the man left, and you and the man there, why you come but I'ma meet your man like me not care. Me see and the man, me make sure go over there go say congrats.
But best yeah, show me for your phone and me show you about something.
Listen, Kiki. It's like you want me to feel some type of way. I come with a bag of troll. Me not depend that. Me and the man left and you and the man in that things. Me not care. Me have you as my friend. You think me care about that? You want
25 bros.
You always want me to in a chatting town all cloud. Me not want the man. But since you want troll,
guys.
I troll. The boy
25 bros.
Yeah, I put them can't hype on me. I swear I'm a two pit them in life and the two of them on my dash way. Whatever company like me, I get a piss in Jake's mouth and him know that. Him know. I Jake's like naughty. Focus.
Triple guys. Guys, only use it to come like remember say one game.
Believe it favor.
Guys, only use it triple.
Chat with them and cap up on the times 3.
Guys, use it triple, please.
5,000 Power Ranger. I can't say this. I'm gonna go.
My people, let me know what you think in the comment section. You have some people in a life, you know what I mean, where spiritually and like biblically them live in a certain you would say them live on a certain rules and certain fears and all them something there. You know what I mean? You see people who don't give a fuck about religion and them something there and believe in whatever them believe in. Them can say some things like what Rosalie I say right now, where she put her youth them life on the line for TikTok gift. You see me I say? We say her youth them life, you know what I mean, she a put as say yo, if I lie me I tell the youth them for unalive. You understand what I say? So when you see the type of people them, everybody have them preference in my people, so I can't knock a person for how you want to live and how you want to say. But you know what I mean, we have to call a spade. You see me? Make me know what I think.
For the man them doing the things, only give them chances. That make them lose more respect for because them are gonna say, if a man fuck by you today and tell you sorry, him gonna do it again. Because guess what? I'm gonna say, you know, say, but tell Chantel sorry the first time, so I can go back again and me and her sit down and ball and tell her say sorry again and she take me back. Menke behavior. I don't come so now top girl. But you don't have menke mentality. I don't so now top girl. Me man older than me, you know. Me man older than me, you know, fuck long time before me, you know. But my mentality set up different from phone one. You saw na top girl, you saw na this, you saw na that. Then why all of a sudden una man did still there? Man 8 years you still stay with him. Why the fuck you come here talk your sadness and I come involve my name and come talk about? Man did still there. Man 8 years you still stay with him. Why the fuck you come here talk your sadness and I come involve my name and come talk about? And you warned me about Shay. If Tenn want you about me, dear. Cause me never one day come tell you no say. Me never one day come tell you no say me no instigator. Me never one day come tell you no say me no love mix up. You no come suck my pussy. I don't give a fuck. You give man 3 so me not give nothing. I no so not top girl.
You give man girl for fuck and the man them not have nothing. But you no come here every day I bring down man. Man. Me no blood clad woman power cause me not stand with no girl. Me not stand with no girl. It just unfair for no say. Me no care who no want say that the comments no moderator lift up everything what you see over here. Me not stand with no girl. That not have nothing to do with me. Any girl want class me, tell them for class me. That a for them problem. You come here, come. And money, if you look money, you look your money and beg. You come here, but if you don't want to send me a lion, send me a lion. I'm live to see the day you want Shay. And you tell me, say Shay, don't call me blood clot name, come in and clip my live and cuss the man. And 110 same way. Me nah click my live and cuss the man. If you beg, you beg. Me not clicking my live and cuss the man. You come here and call me name, boy. And Tenn tell me, say, Shay, anything what Tenn want tell him to tell you about me. That not have nothing to do with me, my dear. No call me blood clot name. Me stand with certain woman. Me not stand with foolishness. Mama never like you, nobody never like you, but you still stay. Why the fuck you stay so long? Me supposed to know from a girl call me name, me supposed to know. No sad. No call me name. Don't call me name in your passa lady. You come talk about you live for sim. Me come on TikTok. Come my blood clot name. Keep her madness to herself. Tell her not call me name. Anything what una and the man sit down and chat about pam pillow, about people, me no want hear. Me no want hear no pillow talk. Me don't want to hear no pillow blood clot talk. Me no want hear. So when you sit down pan pillow, when you dey pan pillow and lay down together and chat people pan TikTok, as some lay down to and chat blood clot, so me no want hear. And all if me and Queenie left today there, you not go hear when me and her chat about you supposed to chat because you in a relationship. Pillow talk, me no want hear. Leave me name out tight. Me no busy about no pillow talk. Me no care what Tenn say about me when you and him did there. That none of my business. I still want Tenn. Same way. Say anything when you want to say about me when you and him there. That's not my problem, darling dear. That's your business, not mine. Don't call me blood clot name. Beg if you beg. It's simple. Now call me name. Come in busy on him. Anytime when the man fall out, to start hear all different type of things. Oh, this and this. And him chat this and smaddy. And him chat that the smaddy there. What my auntie lovely me supposed to know. You know hear? And him chat this as smaddy and me don't want to hear. Anyone on the pan TikTok on the man sit down and chat me. When one of the man left, don't tell me. Me don't want to hear. No call me name. Me no care. You're supposed to chat me. You have a relationship. Everybody in a relationship sit down and chat anybody where them want chat. Because you don't have a relationship. So if you don't want pillow talk. That not have nothing to do with me. Don't tell me what the man say when you and him left. Me no want hear. Cause you want me to click my live now and go class the man. Oh, dirty Tenn. This, that, yan case sit down on phone and chat me. And Ray, sit down on una no house. Me no want hear.
Alright, my people, so K have it out for Shay. We all see that and know that. Say K don't like Shay because of her closeness with her ex-man. You see me? But for a level, you can't really have nothing to say. Boy, people, yo, you can't expect a person to stop. Me not say stop talk to a person or if you don't entertain a person because you and them no good. You see me? And people are gonna say, you know, that's why, because yo, it start from the song, my people, with Shay and K. You know what I mean? K feel like say Shay bust the song with Shauna Chin and her husband. You see me? And she not like that. Boy, my people, me hear K say some things like the man, if a man this any man where she there with her, you know what I mean, and run back something and say, you know, no mother and no youth left, and you know, if you reach this, so that gone too far over this, so you see me, I say gone too far when you reach this, so like analyzing people, and no, you're not supposed to reach this, so you see me. So let me know what you think. Make watch some more of this and then move on to the next.
So we are the on screen record come talk about you and Tenn. Me no want hear what you and Tenn say about me. Me no give a fuck. I don't care. No come tell me now. You should have tell me from them time they say Tenn no like me. You should have tell me from them time they say whatever. Don't tell me now. I don't want to hear. Come in and click my live and cuss the man. For what reason? The man do me anything? You and him supposed to sit down and chat me. Only they have a relationship. So not supposed to chat me. Then I have nothing to do with me. I'm supposed to know. You come and talk about me and Tenn sit down and chat. Me and Tenn sit down and chat Shay, so I don't understand. Oh, me frightened if you sit Tenn and Shay, that not have nothing to do with me. You and him supposed to sit down and chat, my darling dear. Who to tell if it's not the picture where you paint of me, that is why you and him can sit down and chat me. I don't want you, no come tell me now. Hold up your blood clot stress, and my problem that. Big pussy girl. Hold up your stress. Me no want a soul ball to me, go ball to God. No call me blood clot name, me no care. Don't call me name. Me in a relationship? Me did in there? Me never in there. So don't call me name and if I sudden know you come tell me say, come give me story or come tell me about man did that chat me. Man suppose. Yeah, your man is supposed to chat me. That now I'm not for do with me. Me no want hear say you and him chat me. When you come and send out blood clot message to me for about you and man chat me. That I'm not for do with me. No call me name, lady. Don't call my name. Me not business boy you and Tenn. Me a defend my name. No call me name. Me no care why you chat me. And anyone on the TikTok on the man sit down and chat me. I want and them don't talk. You no want come send no message so no chat me. Me no want hear. Keep it to yourself. Go chat me with somebody different. The whole of no come in my comment section, but you're too enough. You're too no look no company from me, girl. Come in and click me live and cuss the man. You want me click me live today Sunday and cuss the man because me go say, oh. So Tenn, you and K chat me. Big so good Tenn. Ray. K just talk say you and her chat me. No. Boo. You're boring. Me still now come cuss the man. So take up your big pussy in the Lord in prayer. That not have nothing to do with me. Accompany the girl I look, but she want me come cuss the man. Accompany she look. You send no message to me on Shani Life. Me not cussing the man. I don't care. Me couldn't chat me. It's okay. It's fine. Stop look company, man. You give man threesome. You do everything and then you want to come here. Oh, my friend, if you sit Tenn and shit. Everyone I wanna get chat. Me chat uno chat me, chat. We have relationships, everybody's supposed to chat everybody pa ya. Everybody's supposed to chat everybody. If none of you want to sit down and chat me with no man them, that's a phone problem. Me no want hear, don't tell me when it late. When the relationship crash, don't tell me. Me don't need to hear. Me don't need to hear. Me don't want to hear.
Hush, dummy. Me no want hear. Beg if you beg. Me sit down in here and people are call me. K she and Tenn chat yo. When me look to blood clot and me go over the live, me sit down on the live and me and listen to you. Oh. One time me and she dey on phone and we a talk. As me come off for the call, me hear Tenn say, we are chat to them girl for them big instigator girl there. So I was so shocked when I look and I see Shay and Tenn become this big friend. Excuse me? Excuse me? So what you think me they gonna know? Click me live and say, yo, yes man. What you call him? Love likes. When you sit down pan you and your woman a chat, you want to turn everybody against the man. I'm smarter than you, okay? Remember you don't see now. Smarter than you. All if I lie she a tell pan him, I still no want hear chat. Me no care. All if I lie she a tell pan him, me still no want hear. You not get it. All if I lie she a tell pan him, me still no want hear. That is the key. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear who chat me. I don't care. It gone already. It done gone already. I don't want to hear. And I still want Tenn same way. I don't care, darling. You don't need to tell me now. Me know your tricks are your trades. Them tell me say that you try to turn everybody against him. Me know it. You come on, bro. I was so shocked when I see Shay. And me and she was on a phone call and Tenn say, we had chat to them big instigator girl there. Tell them I know some me instigate a long time. Long blood clot time, darling. Me never hide it. Me never hide it, darling, there. That have nothing to do with me. I saw no girl and look people for blood clot group up and cuss people for we don't know. Jamaica no happen. I saw no girl and look people for group up and class people we don't know. One picnic, lick your blood clot file. Lick your head so boop. Lick up your blood clot. Here or no? Here partially live. I cannot believe that everything that we talk about, we actually talk about doing, he's doing it with somebody else. That lick your ear. That lick your door. Two man say, I cannot believe that everything we talk about, he's doing it with somebody else. That man literally hates me. He hates me. What?
My people, you know say, me can't really like people who try to have other people don't like you because they don't like you. Make you watch some more.
It cause you for come today and lash out and tell everybody who chat who want who you want Tenn chat. That have nothing to do with me. And that she said on Shani live. Who did over the live can't is that she say. She said everything that we actually talk about doing. This man is doing it with somebody else. This man hates me. He literally hates me. It's such a talk. The fuck? Me say me sit down on the live and listen. couldn't hear say me sit down and listen to everything. So me say, when me hear the woman a crash out, me I say, at the picnic, at Italy car. Remember the same day upon the picnic, you know, she sit down on her live at defend Tenn with him baby mother Cindy, you know. Remember me say everything, you know. Allow me I tell? Remember, you know, him and blood clad Shauna de pan picnic, you know, and the woman over there cuss out Cindy. Who forgot? Who the rascal at Aguania? And the people them a say the man de pan picnic tie you over your side defend man. Lady, me tired of you. Me tired of you sad this lady. Why you don't go pray? Me hear you say you put yourself first and this and that and re. You all over the level class, the man, mother. You know why the whole of the family them hate you. You don't know why. And not my business that. You know why them hate you. Take time for yourself. Heal. Love yourself more. Do your own thing. Me tell Tenn don't go. Lord Jesus, me can't bother. Me set it, boy. Yeah. Life unfair, you know. You know what unfair? You have nothing on Kate. Kate have nothing upon me to bless one. She not have nothing upon me. And she can't tell me about my pussy. And none of you give man threesome can't tell me say me a sodomite. You do the same blood clotting. You not different from me. None of the big pussy girl over here so will tell me say me a sodomite and tell me say me suck pussy and tell me say me this can't class me because I be a threesome you do. Suck on no mother. Suck out to no mama. Uno say the man broke and a peer broke man on get threesome. Uno say the man broke. Nobody never force uno for do nothing. And nobody can force me to take command. You hear me an instigator for true, yes. Did I hide it? Did I hide it? Hello? Did I hide it? No. Everything that you all say I do, I own that shit. I'm an instigator. I'm a mix-up bitch. Hold on. 18K over there. 1.4 over here. You know no views. And which one of them over there send her a lion from when she attack? Where she get from she attack? Where she get from she attack? Nothing. Just views. That's sad though. Wanna send no man something, man. No man need the money in her. She tell you no. She want the money for buy. She said she not get no gift. Nobody. Me not like views, darling dear. Anybody know me, know say me not like views. When all of them people they gone, everything done. Back to Keona again. Back to you again. When all of them views they gone, your life over, done. See the people them still not business with you. Them still not saying nothing same way. Jayden call you. Shy, what my darling? Them still not do nothing for you same way. It just unfair to some man say, man can come bring down the man them, but when the man them talk, you hear say them a mama man. Go suck on the mother man. Move. Me not stand with none of uno. Can no one come bring down man? And when man for talk for them side, oh, suck your mother, your mama man, you're this, you're that. That's crazy. Life is so unfair.
Tell Jayden say me something turn on. Him something don't turn on. Tell him to come. She's my best. Tell him to, oh, him say live with guests. It's a live with guests. You know, I know she was coming, so I said for her because what? We have to block them early enough. I can't, it's a live with guests. I know she'll come. I remember I'm not hungry. I know she'll come. Come on, black car, you know. I'm not argue. I know sometimes you were there. Cause sometimes you were there chatting. I tell you how the game play. I'm gonna be honest, cause 2026, I'm gonna be honest with them. I'm just be honest with the people. And sometime you were there in a 2020 blood clot 6. Sometimes you were there and told the game work out. And I really say you want a friend from them in about what? You want a playing part at the time. Sometimes when you come on, nobody's out there to play with, they're stuck in the water.
Alright, my people, so we're gonna watch some more of this and then we're gonna move on to the next. And Missy Rosalie talked to her friend, youth named Toto, seeing, and like the dog I tell her something seeing, and eventually the youth said to her, so you know, see if you listen though, you see me, cause like Rosalie like listen still, you know, people, and everybody me hear with the same issue there with her, you know, she don't listen, you see me, but I think them did I say she feel black key, that's why I say she don't listen, but for other things she don't listen, you know what I mean? So Rosalie is a person where I feel for hear. You see me? He's a person where she headstrong. Whatever she want to do, she gonna do it, and you know what I mean, no matter what a person say, them can't get her not to do what she wanna do. You see it, so we can watch some more people as we say and then move on to the next.
I want the 2 local diamonds them. You want the 2 local diamonds them for truth on the board because what? You just come on and you look 2 diamonds to go up in the game. So sometimes when I really come on, you know, see nobody order for play with, and then we want to reach out and show you one gift. And everybody can just see you come on and show you one lion. So I want Insta sell or 2 posts or 1 wheel or 2 money gun. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes when the game excited, you don't get a look of change after it and go up in the ranks. But after I tell a big pussy girl say, congrats on your relationship. She come like she want to make this big old blood clot deal as if me bumbo ras clad care. Yes, Danke, but if I understand, sometimes we can use them, you know, but when them too much, like she, we block them. Me know art of love. I know they planned it. And I didn't fall right in the trap, you know. I'm a god dear come, I know she'll come with it. Sooner or later, she'll eventually come with it. I want my mom to make some boss pan off it, grown a black and a nasty stinking blood clot. Me do it, that's why I'm go. So I'm not that stupid, because I know she'll come with it, because Kiki is an original cloud tracer. Me not fell in a trap, sham, because I run black. Me not fall in a blood clot trap. Me not fall in a trap, me run black. And me black, she black me. She go back in the blacklist. So when she go back in the blood clot black, she go and stay black this trip. Because we not go and black her. I went over here dead for can we just reshuffle and come back. That is it. I be popping.
It's a girl I not even know what is a blood clot candle trading. What is a candle, Vani?
Friends that are million.
Vani, what is a candle? What is a candle, girl? What is a candle?
A blood clot face boy. I'm only that dirty boy. Cut on the bomber clot. Circle.
You know me now.
Look at your blood clot face. Dirty boy. Huh? You wanna hit me in my face or sit in your face? What the fuck you take this thing for?
We're not gonna do this tonight, Carl.
No, we're not gonna do it tonight, you know. We're not gonna do it tonight.
No, God no, me not do this with it tonight, I swear. Me not gonna really do this with it tonight.
Naughty Dracula. About what? If him find him match?
Yeah.
I can't know if I match. Me in them relationship.
How you look to you? How you look?
Everything is not what it seems, yeah? Because let me tell you what I know. You see, because him and K fresh out a relationship, all if the relationship has squeezed Shauna chin, she gonna put on her biggest smile and come out. And I'm not being biased. She gonna put on her biggest smile and come out. That's good. The only thing I can say as it relates to Shauna chin and K is that it's obvious to me, and this is what me observe for myself, that there was things about K where Tenn couldn't stand, and Shauna chin don't have those way where he couldn't stand. So that's all me can say. Me can't say who him love or who him happier with or.
Hold on, wait. Elaborate. Meaning like what kind of ways? Going on details.
Alright, just elaborate. Him say him not like brawling woman. And me give him that. Me believe him when him said that. Because one, I have heard him tell Kate to tone down already. And it caused an argument. And Shauna chin can barely talk. So yes, he might like that characteristic there. Right?
Alright, I can say something. Come on, really want to cut.
Hold on there. Come in a box because more refer to that earlier. You say they have some ways where Tenn no like Shauna by upper wave. Do you know K?
Me know her from the internet.
Okay. Alright. K only load on the internet, and why K has loads on the internet? Because of the comment section, right? What? You never think that comment section make K load. K no like threesome.
No, K naturally talk.
No, hello, me talk, me load them on the talk, me never interfere. K no like threesome. So you see when a man get a girl with like threesome and like the suck pussy.
Me never touch on that.
No, wait now. What you mean talk loud? Everybody in a life talk loud. Do talk loud. We talk loud.
Big body girl, you know K in person, right?
Yeah, but me and K go most of the part to them. Me and K moderator.
Clad, spill the beans now.
But it's certain people talk on the internet.
Sorry, big certain people. No, because listen, everybody have this as K. Watch out. Somebody fucking up Shalom. Wanna report my PH? Wanna report my PH for?
No,
well, my people, you know, say, me don't think no man like woman with vulgar. Although, you know what I mean, everybody have them preference still, and you're frightened for no say man love woman, some woman where, you know what I mean, them vulgar and chat loud and them go on with themselves. K, not saying that K is a person with vulgar, you know. She talk loud when she up on her live, you know what I mean? So maybe she can't hear so well, so she talk for hear herself. Maybe or it's just a, you know what I mean? That's just a habit where she develop, you know what I mean? Because me tell you something, people, sometimes you have the phone in, you're talking on the phone, you know, and you don't realize say yo, you talk so loud. But the reason why you talk so loud, you feel like say yo, when you talk loud, the people them now go hear you. So over time, that is just the type of thing where you do on a regular, and it just come the norm. And when you try to stop, you can't stop. But me personally, I don't think I like a loud woman. Me like quiet woman. Not say me love a submissive woman where under me, but me like a woman when I really, you know what I mean? Yeah. So me know what I think.
And Prime, I just want to say something quick. I'm not stay long, quick and fast.
Yeah.
Nigga split justice. And K people them, me no want to come for me. Me a talk facts. When me a say, cause me a big woman. If me and a boy left and me left the boy, cause me listen to the whole story. Me not no time I kill up myself. Me a move on and take a bad boy. Love earth and it boy lick up my chip too. But at the end of the day, you have to show me tell you one thing. So me just know K, I have K as a top girl. K shouldn't load down and
jump
stop.
and come back. Jump and come back, big batty, girl. Jump and come back, cause them a report them. I don't know what go on.
Them not tell K the truth as a friend. Shauna, I know Shauna Chin personally. Yes, Shauna, yes, she have her ways, but me tell her something, she Aquarius. And she's a go-getter.
F1, everybody, F1. Be a F1 in your life. Type F1, please. Type F1. Yes, sorry.
Yeah, we are chat.
Go up on next page.
Go up on the next page and come back, my friend. Go up on the next page and come back. They might go up on the next page. Yeah, start, finish.
Yeah, what may I say? Shauna is a girl like this, she's Aquarius, she's a go-getter. Anyway, she have to ride the way for reach pan her level, she can reach pan her level. However, it just happened that she and 10 point make a chemistry and them what. Them not fair drag the girl, so the girl a human being too. It no matter who she fuck out, enough girl fuck out, and I go on at them a goody two shoes. And the point where me I try to get at, I can't force a trouble the girl that say she a bop, and she a muckers, and she a ray, and she a whatever. And her friend them not tell her the truth, bro. If me and a boy left me, I make it go on, I'll let me chip earth. Alright, listen, first thing K Earth, we are woman girl. K Earth. And if a girl tell my man I feel like I want trouble her, I go trouble her if me want trouble her. I can't put a trouble the girl, bapads and rape. Because Shauna Chin
come talk, you know. Say Shauna Chin fuck, I'm 10 points and 1.
Alright, cool. You know say Shauna Chin, alright, cool. You know say Shauna Chin, and you say Shauna Chin play up in your face and come ask about chain and buy this and I play up in your face. What you shouldn't do as a woman, guess I go on. I'm bigger than one, guess I go on. I start fly out. I start do the listen up.
Miss, no. You don't know we as K friend for tell you without your friend the truth. Oh no, nothing about we. And listen to me.
No,
when you say K friend, listen me.
Yeah, no, I listen, girl.
Hello. Say K first trouble Shauna Chin. That is a lie.
You know, and I never say trouble as in trouble. Listen what me I say. I mean trouble as in trouble. Case
we know that somebody talk. We know that somebody talk.
No case Shauna Chin come in her inbox and I go on if she find out if she know about 10. Remember say case start say oh the girl are trying to bap and muckers and ray and whatever.
Everybody know Shauna is a muckers.
Yes, no. But I saw so me ask her a question. Listen me ask
Hello, good day. Good day. Let me just say something and come off this live.
Yeah.
Because what you come and say is K start to trouble Shauna's Chin. That's a lie.
Me never say K. Me never tell
That's a lie. Listen what I'm saying.
Girl. Me never
That's a lie. They've been showing shade on K. They've been doing that. We are not fool as women. They've been doing shady.
Alright, me ask a question. What Shauna Chin say to K for throw shade pan
go back and watch all of it.
You can't tell me so what you mean by the case Shauna Chin going to inbox. The case Shauna Chin going to inbox to talk about Chin and
Shauna Chin. Hello, me play one something.
Only two bias as woman, you know.
Hold on.
What play something for?
Let me hear what she
say.
You know
what I do?
Go on, Apple.
More fine is something what she say. What I know for code for you.
She just said that. She just said that the other day. She just said that because K throw jab for the girl. What do you mean by? She call the girl muckers. What do you mean by?
Listen. And pie, listen.
No, but
when it's on.
So now pick up for phone. Friend, you mean by the girl? The girl supposed to talk. If the girl want to talk, I care for the girl muckers. Yeah. All she fuck out and 10 back.
You mean by that?
On the two black
yeah, any class and
gone. On a real black clad friend. On a real friend. Because nobody would have cares a top girl. She's telling the person it's okay. Let them go about in business. On a real friend. On a real. My friend no want
True, man. We don't real,
What
man.
does she no want it? What she follow up the man for? What she follow up the girl for? What you mean? What she follow up the girl? So she don't want it. She don't move on.
Fucking Tenn.
Listen,
So
she don't move on. She don't want it.
No, it come like a 10 point over your phone. No, look like a 10 point over your phone.
At this point, my friend don't want enough for the blood clot.
This is about an argument.
She don't want enough for my time, so why should I make 10 be a why should I make 10 be a topic?
My friend don't want 10.
Why should I make it be a topic? No, can I give no?
My friend don't make it be a topic.
I give obsession, girl. I give obsession.
Girl, what you call obsession? You know what is obsession, girl?
I don't care what no one say obsession.
Ladies, calm down. Calm down. That's all
blood clot, man. But obsession, your blood clot. You know about blood clot.
Listen. I'm tired. Another argument will come more. You know, come with the argument. If a reason, a reason.
Hello, a reason I have to come about something else.
Listen, an argument.
You come about something else. We have to friend about obsession about what? My friend said
girl upset. Me say it a give obsession. And that me say me never say say it a give. You listen to the word. It a give.
That can be obsession because to the end of the day, that she husband. So if she want to come and talk something about what happened between them, she have all rights to do that. You can't say it's obsession. That is them marriage.
Hello. Can I say something, please? All right. I'm not a fan of none of both ladies. Shauna neither K. But me respect them and I like them because the whole of we at home. But here what I know, I tell you this straight up and down. He's a married woman. Me a big woman. Listen to this. Okay? If you say you let go and you're going to a divorce or you're processing a divorce, you're not supposed to give a fuck about what Tenn and Shauna is doing. Let it go, move on, because what you're doing is making things look stupid. You're making yourself look stupid. Do not pay Tenn and Shauna no mind. Let go and move on. Let it go.
Still not understand say they still not get it right.
Hear about them relationship.
She don't get it right. She's in a divorce process. She's separating from this man. So she don't need to give a fuck about what Tenn and Shauna is doing. She's just making herself look stupid.
Oh, she make herself look stupid when the man when
Rocky, I tell the truth. She make herself look stupid and her friend not accept that.
Exactly.
No, the woman them are making K was my friend. Stupid. I would have worried K with the K. Do not. All right, K don't care about somebody in our life right now. You see me left a boy. I'm especially if a boy beside me love. I mean like me that you a fuck boy next boy.
Exactly. Gonna make it sound like K a crash out over Tenn.
Exactly, bro. Exactly, bro.
K is making Tenn feel like him too fucking special. No, but.
Alright, my people, alright, they said pop off. We are going to move on to the next channel. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Us are females and all of us get love bomb at times and all of us ended up in a situation because we don't understand. She just don't understand yet. Let's not beat her woman to woman. We're not going to beat her woman to woman. She's an innocent, young, naive. Don't understand that a person is using her. Let me tell you something. First thing first. Kayona has a big heart. Kayona has a heavy heart, a big heart, who is willing to just help somebody to see the better version of them. And because of that, Karma is going to visit him. She pull her energy so the universe now stops protecting him. So the universe will go pay him with karma. Him will go get that pay regardless. Because all she wanted was to help him. And she's going to get him will go get the pay regardless of how long it take.
Tenn whenever like TikTok turn TikToker. I tell me here in power screen record. I hula cough me chat. I me say what the bomber this. He must say, a who lock off me chat. Here. I say in said chat, you never hear him. You never hear the comments or something like so. He must say, so me say that y'all notice that. I see the fact say, alright, you see the fact say, I was thinking, you know, when Missy Kiona crash out, me say, you know, I never consider that one crash out, because she was just talking, and I say, what happened? When she did over the other girl live, she was just talking. Me never consider it a crash out. She just has talk her piece, because there's a lot of things where she never say. Because she always want to protect him and put certain things out there. You understand? She's always want to try to protect him and put certain things and cost everybody else except him. So basically, I thought she was just talking and, you know, explain what happened, because, you know, everybody has say, you know, she disrespect his mother. You know, she should talk her side and what lead up to what. You know, she's like give one background as to how they got here with them they know. Anyway, I never think that Tenn would have come click no live and answer. Me never know. I was shocked when me and them say in click live. That time I know say you really had do it for Tantar. Let me say like why you click live for? Make she talk, she a woman. And if you say you're not doing it, then leave it alone. Then Shauna with fear no neck self I talk about all bad things. What fear neck there? She not on a neck. But can you're angry the girl today. Me say the one Belgium she was enough up for herself so. Kiona angler. All Queenie get little stray something. Thank you. Lash. Me say all Queenie catch stray bullet. You know what see her upon live when she look. You know see no neck. Up on her live one day when she dey on live, she not have no neck. No neck she not have. No neck. You don't know how say Shauna and a peer filter she use. You know what time? You know when me see Shauna real face? When time been a launch for Fenty Beauty or Fontana. And when me see the girl real face, me say that's how she did look.